Hi, boys and girls. Let's get ready for some interactive writing. Remember, we are doing science writing and we are writing all about tornadoes and types of extreme weather. So, what you remember from last week, our field trip, we want to bring into what we're writing about today. So, before we start writing, I wanted to teach you a new word that you can use in your reading and your writing. I'm going to write it on my board and we're going to do it together. This is the word that we're going to need to use today. Do you know what this word is? Oh, yeah. Let's read it together. This is the word will. Can you say that with me? Will. Let's read it like that one more time. Will. Good job. Will. You know what? Let's spell it together. Let's see how they spell will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. This is that new word, will. Can you think of a sentence that you could use the word will in? Oh, I'm thinking of one. I will go to the store tomorrow. Can you think of a sentence? Good job. So this is the word will. I want you to take a picture of it in your brain. Will. So what I wanted to write today is that tornadoes, which is a type of really strong weather, tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. Can we count how many lines we need for that? Okay. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. How many is that? Oh, I need 8. I need 8 lines. Can you help me draw my lines? Remember, because we're going to be doing our picture, we can leave a little spot up here for the picture. And then let's say the sentence together while we draw our lines. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. And what do I need at the end? Yeah, I need a period. Let's make sure we have a period at the end. Okay. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. So that's what we're going to write together. Before we get started, why don't we draw a picture? Do you remember what a tornado looks like? When we think about math and we think about 3D shapes, a tornado kind of looks like a cone upside down. So it starts really small and then it gets bigger and bigger. Can you draw a squiggly like that to show the tornado? Yeah, that's what a tornado looks like. And a tornado brings lots of wind, so I'm going to draw some wind. Sometimes I draw it with arrows to show that that's how it's moving. And it also brings rain, so maybe we can draw some raindrops. This is the type of weather that can be dangerous. If there's a tornado, we need to make sure we stay inside and get to somewhere safe, right? Okay, once you're done drawing your pictures, why don't we get started on our sentence? Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. Let's start that first sentence with the word tornadoes. Can you say that with me? Tornadoes. What do you hear in that word tornadoes? I hear a t at the beginning, but let's remember at the beginning we need to make sure it is a capital T, right? Tornadoes. I hear o, tornadoes. N-A. Doze. D. O. S. Ooh, I needed more space on that line. Tornadoes will. Will. We learned that will. Do you remember how to spell it? Will. Okay, it's W-I-L-L. Tornadoes will. What will they do? Tornadoes will bring. I hear two letters coming together to make brr at the beginning. Burring. Yeah, I hear b, r, b, r. And just like when we're reading and we hear that ing end sound at the end of a word, we can use that in our writing too. Do you remember what letters make ing? Yeah, there's I like I, ng. That's ng. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. Lots. What do you hear in that word lots? Sound it out. L, a, t, s. Lots. Of, this is a new word. OF is of. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind. 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 Can you try that word? I'm going to write it and you try it too. Wind. Wind. Did you do that too? Wind. Wind and, easy, and rain. Rain. I hear R, and then I hear A, rain. What do you hear at the end? Rain, N. Tornadoes will bring lots of wind and rain. Thank you so much for helping me write my sentence. Make sure that you finish writing yours, and make sure you're always thinking about those science things that we're learning on our field trips. So we know in strong weather like a tornado, we need to make sure that we stay safe and we stay inside. Thanks for helping me, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.